welcome back to my channel. Today we will be solving another question which is checking among the three numbers which is the smallest number. So let us quickly go to the system. Here we are back to our system. Let me quickly create a new class. Here right click on this src folder, then click on new and then Java class, and let me name this as code everyday 012. And we will write the main method public static void main string args and curly braces open. So to check whether a number is smallest, we will take three number inputs from the user and we will check which one is smallest among the three numbers. Let us quickly create a scanner class object. Scanner sc equals to new scanner system.in, and we will import our package import java.util.scanner. Please write the code along with me so that it will be a practice for you all. And let us take three numbers as int a, b and c. So here we have taken three inputs from the user. Now what we are going to do, we will use the if statement to check our conditions are true or false. So suppose if a is less than b and a is less than c, then display system.out.println a is the smallest. And we'll include our else if statement over here. Else if b is less than a and b is less than c, then we will display b as the smallest. And now only our last condition is left, so we will use only the else statement. If none of the above conditions are true, then it will execute this else system.out.println c is the smallest. Let us run and see. So we'll give three number input over here. Suppose 22, 56, 40. 22 is the smallest. That's all for today. Bye bye and have a good day.